Hi, I'm Kurt. I'm from Jayco, Sydney. We're here at the 4x4 outdoor show, and here is the 1339-2 Crosstrak. Now on the 1339-2 Crosstrak, it has an outdoor kitchen, as you see here, 2 upper cupboards, plenty of storage, fit for plates, pantry, whatever you want to put in there. While you're out here, you can put your veggies on, your 2-burner stove here, a little bit of storage underneath for anything else like cutlery or towels. You've got spaces for everything. So here is the fridge slide and fold down barbecue tray. Underneath the van there is a gas bayonet hooked to the 2 9-kilo gas balls up the front. So if you do have a barbecue, place her right here, hook her up, she's ready to go. Now one of the best parts on the 1339-2 Crosstrak is the ability to bring the kids with you. You've got a large hammock area up the top and a bed down the bottom for your 2 children. And you've got your large double bed here for you and your partner, and enough space to sit around the table. Now on your hotter days, you do have several vents through the tent section of the pop top. You've also got the option to have a reverse cycle aircon, and there is a Sirocco fan up the front to keep you cool. Now at the rear, you've got a large external shower, hot and cold. This van has been fitted with dual 80-litre water tanks and a hot water system, which will give you hot showers when you need them. Now on the side of the van, you can see we have a manual rollout awning to keep you safe from all elements, rain or shine. Now while off-road, you will need our Jayco 2.0 suspension, which is fitted to this unit. This will get you on dirt roads, light corrugations, plenty of places that you wanted to go. Now, just because it's a 13-foot van doesn't mean we are short on storage. We have plenty. Underneath here, you've got your underbed storage for all chairs, tables, whatever you want to put in there. Now, if this van does suit you and your family, come see us at Jayco Sydney on 67 Glossop Street, St Mary's. For more information, come visit us at jaycosydney.com.au.